Day 3 means nothing if 3 people use 3 different soak times. Grow recipes are how a farm speaks one language. Grow recipes live at plantmood.farm in the Farm Manager section of the sidebar. They are your standard operating procedures: stage names, durations, environment targets, and scheduled tasks per crop. Every batch inherits a recipe, so the dashboard Gantt, operator map, and task list all reference the same playbook. The page has 4 tabs. Plants lets you browse the full crop catalog as cards and click through to plant detail. My Grow Recipes holds the recipes you have created. Plant Mood. Grow Recipes shows system templates you can copy and customize. A shared search box filters by plant name across all tabs. On the Plants tab, category filter chips let you multi-select crop categories, and Grow difficulty sliders narrow the range from 1 to 10. On the Recipe tabs, filter by method, tray or site, type, blend, or single plant, plus yield range and total days sliders. Each recipe card shows the recipe name, crop, method, and day count. You can edit, delete, use a system template, or open the full detail view. The detail dialog shows the complete spec: a stage ladder with durations, EC and pH targets, water temperature, light hours, humidity, and scheduled tasks per stage, things like flip to light, EC check, harvest, water change, and observation, each with a day offset. From the footer, you can create a batch, use the recipe as a template, or go straight to editing. Creating a new recipe opens a large drawer. Choose single plant or blend. Blends let you set multiple plants with ratio percentages and seed offset days. Pick a plant from the catalog or enter a custom name. Set the growing method, phase durations, environment targets, and add recipe tasks. Save and it appears under My Grow Recipes. When you spawn a batch, you attach a recipe. Status changes on the dashboard, and operator then follow that exact stage ladder. Plan limits may cap how many custom recipes you can save, but the built-in system recipes get you moving on day 1. Nail your recipes once, and every batch afterward is easier. Find it under Manager, then Grow Recipes. Link is in the description.